black shorts on a cliff top on a rainy, windy day. There's some wet roos, mother and baby. He looks pissed off. And here comes black shorts. There's a swamp wallaby. Where are you taking us this week, black shorts? He's a nice looking young kangaroo, an eastern grey. He looks pissed off too. Maybe he's heard about the kissing song. Shaking his head, that's always a good sign with the kangaroos. It's a greeting to other kangaroos and to humans. These ones are a bit suspicious. Black Shorts is wearing his eastern grey t-shirt. Matching outfit with the kangaroos this week. And where are we now? We found ourselves down at a little river. A sandy bank. What's up here? There's a beach. A rainy beach. Black Shorts slips on the rain jacket. And the hood. But nothing's going to stop him enjoying this amazing place. We've got a little teepee here. He's going to hide from the rain inside. But not for long. He's out, getting rained on. You'll be okay, Black Shorts. Don't get in that one. That one wouldn't protect you. As he touches the wet grass, he's really getting involved. There's an ant's nest. And he's looking up at the rain clouds. Maybe he's going to get in this little cave. There's another swamp wallaby. And he's scared of you as well. Scaring kangaroos, this video should be called. As he scares off an eastern grey. And there's a swamp wallaby again. And he scares him off. We're down at the Pebbly beach. He loves these river pebbles. Yeah. Black Shorts looking pretty pleased with himself. Got a little rock with a quartz line through it there. And here's a big daddy eastern grey lying in the plains in the rain. They have a coarse outer layer of fur that sheds the water, protects the soft underfur, but they do like to groom a lot more when it's raining. He's having a little scratch of all the regions. Big guy. What have we got here? A big fat mushroom. And here he is again. He's got a little friend in the background. And here's eastern grey Black Shorts with his camouflage outfit, trying to blend in, but scaring the kangaroos away. Black Shorts looking very pleased with himself on top of a cliff. He's had a great day, scared a few kangaroos away.